Okay, so let's look at 3.8. Remember from 3.8, I told you we learned something called unit analysis. What was unit analysis? Raise your hand. Yes, sir.
It's like when you want to get from like minutes to, or like from hours to minutes.
That's exactly right. So I want you to convert one unit to the other. This time convert the units. Here's an example 1. Your homework for tonight will have something like this where I say A. I want you to convert 3 hours to minutes. So how would you do this? Who remembers? We actually did this one last time, but in order to change from 3 hours, you need to multiply this by, remember something, and it equals to some minutes. Now, hold on. So I'm going to multiply this by 1. You guys remember? I'm going to multiply by 1, but it's going to be a special one where it'll cancel out the hours. You guys remember that?
Yeah.
So what sort of special one am I going to multiply this by? 3 times hour, 3 hour times. What unit do I want on the bottom?
Hours.
That's right, because we want the hours to cancel out. This is over 1. What unit do I want on the top?
Minutes.
Very good. And so what do you know about minutes and hours so that it's really equals to 1? Yes?
Minutes is 60 minutes.
Good. Over?
Over 1 hour.
1 hour. Isn't 60 minutes same as 1 hour?
Yeah.
So don't I really have the same unit over same unit? Right? 60 minutes over 1 hour is really 1. Isn't that right? That's the key. So, but we like this because the hours has to cancel out. After all, isn't that why we had the hours on the bottom? Okay. So, that means we get what? The answer is?
100 minutes.
So this is sort of the thing that I want you to do. B. See if you could do this yourself. 72 inches to, I want you to change it to feet. Okay. So, again, we want 72 inches over 1 times some 1 so that it equals to some sort of feet. So who thinks they know what special one I'm going to use this time? 72 inch over 1 times. What unit do I want on the bottom, first of all, so that they cancel out? Inches. And which unit do we want on the numerator? Feet. What sort of, how do I make this 1 so that they have the same value? Raise your hand. What sort of relationship do you know of feet and inches? Yes, sir.
1 foot equals 12 inches.
That's correct. And so now the inches will cancel out. And what do you get? It's a little bit different than before. You don't. Do I multiply 72 times 12? No, it becomes 72 over 12 feet, right? Isn't that what we wanted? So what is 72 over 12? 6. So there's your answer. Any question? Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I have one more thing. And so from 3.9, 3.9, example 2. So you have something from 3.9. This is the kind of question you will see. We've done this, let's just as a review. What if I ask you 52 is 12%, or 12.5% of what number? You guys remember how to translate this?
Yes.
What does 52 mean?
52.
52. What does is mean, class? Equals to? Raise your hand. What does 12.5 is just? 12 point, oh, 12.5. I forgot percent. What does 12.5 is? So what does percent mean? Good, 1 over 100. What does out mean? Times. What number is? X. You guys remember this?
Yeah.
So again, you have this again for tonight's homework, and you have to solve for x. You guys remember how to do that?
Yeah.
Very good.